The charm about the mechanical watch is this. A collection of tiny gears, levers, and a mainspring create a wonder of engineering. Yet, what once only worked via manual winding eventually evolved to a mechanism that could automatically power the movement. Here's a simple look at the difference between a manual and automatically winding watch. For this video, we'll be taking a look at the Nomos Tangente 38 and Neomatik 41 update. First, the Tangente 38, featuring the manual winding caliber DUW 4101. At just 2.8 millimeters in height, it is one of the thinnest mechanical movements available today at any price point. When not in operation, it is a beautiful work of craftsmanship viewed through its sapphire crystal back. Turn the crown, however, and suddenly the movement comes to life. Gears turn, the hidden mainspring is wound, and the escapement begins to relegate the release of power, producing that classic seconds hand tick that eludes quartz watches. Mechanical, yet feeling almost organic, the escapement can be called the heart of the mechanical watch. Now let's look at the Nomos Neomatik with the automatic caliber DUW 6101. At 3.6 millimeters, it is still a very thin movement, but noticeably taller than that of the Tangente 38. The extra space is used for additional components that attach the oscillating weight. This is the key to its automatic winding capabilities. When worn on the wrist, the oscillating weight rotates, transferring your kinetic energy to wind the mainspring. While a manual wind watch usually keeps ticking for 2 or more days, on a single wind, an automatic watch will keep running for as long as you wear it. If you leave it on the desk, say for a week, it will cease running. No worries, however. Simply manual wind the movement until you see the seconds hand ticking again, put it on your wrist, and you are good to go. So, to recap, a manual watch is thinner and less expensive. You simply have to remember to wind it every few days. The automatic watch will cost a bit more and will be slightly taller, but will run daily as long as it's on your wrist. What type of watch do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below.